In this video today, we will see how to save the WhatsApp images in a different folder. Now by default, you will not be able to save WhatsApp images in a different folder. But what you can do is you can move the images from WhatsApp images folder to a different folder. So for that one, what we will do is we will go ahead and open this Samsung folder, go to My Files, select this option internal storage, and here what we will do is we will look for WhatsApp. So after you open the WhatsApp folder, open this media folder, go to this option WhatsApp images, and here you will be able to see the images that are present in the WhatsApp image folder. Now if I want to move images, what I will do is I will tap and hold the image. If I want to select more, I can select more images. If you want to select all the images, then you can select this option all. So once you have selected the images, select this option move, go back, let's go to internal storage here, and here you can create a new folder if you want. You can tap on these three dotted icons here and then select create folder, and then you can give a name. So let me give ABC and then create. So I have created a new folder which is ABC, and I will open the folder and I will select this option move here. So what happens is the images from WhatsApp images folder are now moved in this new folder. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.